Right now I'm filling up my 100 plus gallon water bladder that I'll transfer into our 225 gallon IBC tote back at base camp, and I'll kind of continue the update. I'm back at base camp number 2, I guess I'll call it, and I'm transferring water back to our IBC tote. A quick little update on our site here. I'm up to there's 700 watts of solar there. I got one more 100 watt solar still in the shed right there that I just built, and I'll try to put a link below on how I built that shed. And right back there is our greenhouse, and I also have another instructional video on how to put that together, and I'll put a link down so you can see that if you're interested in how to put one of those together. But that's our update.